The Insta360's latest 360 action camera is proof that big performance does not come with bulk. The newly launched X4 Air takes the company's high-res 8K shooting chops and packs it in a body lighter than most smartphones, a move that could make full 360 camera capture more spontaneous. The X4 Air weighs just 165 grams, that's 38 grams less than the original X4. It has a matte finish frame in graphite black and Arctic white color. It feels purpose-built for creators on the go, slipping easily into the jacket pocket or small camera pouch. Under the hood, you find a dual 1 by 1.8-inch CMOS sensor rated at 29 megapixel with f1.95 lens capable of shooting 8K video at 30 frames or 6K at 24 frames per second. It carries forward the familiar modes from previous model: active HDR, Insta frame time-lapse loop recording road mode, alongside FlowState stabilization, 360-degree horizon lock to keep smoothage food while things get bumpy. Through the one Insta360 app, creators can reframe, auto edit, or export clips in minutes using built-in AI tools. It's powered by the 2010 milliampere removable battery, going for 88 minutes of 8K recording or 100 minutes at 6K. As per charging, it hits 80% at 36 minutes or 100% at 57 minutes. It's priced at $400 for the base kit, which includes camera, battery, and essential. The starter bundle includes 114cm invisible selfie stick, lens cap, and spare battery for $440. Both available now via Insta360's website and Amazon. They don't try to reinvent 360 camera; it's streaming them by trimming the weight and simplifying operations while keeping 8K clarity. Insta360 may have found a new sweet spot for everyday creators who want cinematic results without a full backpack of gear.